Hello, today is National Numeracy Day. We come across and use maths all the time in our everyday lives. For example, when we exercise and play games, in shopping, in cooking and baking. Today I want to focus on time, on how to tell the time. There are two types of clocks, digital and analog. These are just a couple of examples of analog clocks I could find around my house. To learn time, let's start off with an easier version of this clock. This is the clock face. The smaller hand is the hour hand, and the longer hand is the minute hand. Around the edge of the clock, we have numbers that go from 1 all the way to 12. All hands spin in one direction, and we call it clockwise. Let's focus on the hour hand first of all. If the hour hand is pointing at 10, it means that it's 10 o'clock. If the hour hand is pointing at 11, then it means it's 11 o'clock. If the hour hand is pointing somewhere between 11 and 12, it means that the time is 11 o'clock because it hasn't got to 12 yet. With having just the hour hand, it would be difficult to tell the exact time. This is why we have the minute hand, which is the long hand. The minute hand tells us how much time has passed after the hour. When telling time, we always look at the hour hand first, which is now pointing to the 12 number. And the minute hand is pointing to 1. So it's very important to understand that there are 5 minutes between each of these big numbers. Between 12 and 1, 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the time is 12:05 or 5 minutes past 12. So if I now move the minute hand to 4, we always have to look at the hour hand. So the hour hand is pointing somewhere between 12 and 1. However, as it hasn't got to 1 yet, it is still 12 o'clock. Now let's look at the minute hand. The minute hand is currently pointing at 4. However, you need to remember that we have to count in fives. So let's do it together. 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20. So our time is 12:20 or 20 minutes past 12. Please practice this skill at home. If you have any questions, please drop me a line. Have a lovely day and see you soon. Bye.